What's up, guys? This is Xpotix. Hope you guys are doing well. I am playing Bodycam. It's a new, actually it's kind of newish. I got it just to make a video on it. Whoa, 60 FPS. It looks pretty detailed though. Not very fast. Feels like I'm too slow. 60 FPS, dang. Ow, what? Oh, it's really slow moving. It's not responsive like at all. Hard to see my... Oh. It's so hard to move. It's just like, it's so slow. It's not responsive like COD. Okay, I guess lower some settings and like see why it's doing that. That's stupid. It's like unplayable. And why does it keep on changing to borderless? Just go, stay in full screen. Okay. TSR. I guess I can try upscaling, guys, on high settings at TSR. And no anti-aliasing. Let's try that. See what I get now. So I'm getting 56 still at... Wow. This game's hard to run. It's using the hardware. 97%. Hopefully the movement's better. But like that's not... It's so rough. What the heck? It looks so ugly, all those trees and stuff, when you look like that. Yeah, this mouse sensitivity in this game is just messed up. Ah! I might have hit something, that's why it fell. Okay, let's try again. Oh, this is the kill cam. Yeah, it's really rough. I'm lightly moving it and it's just not responsive. There's a huge delay, it feels like. Is that how it's supposed to be? Getting 68 FPS. It's better. Oh, up there. Yeah, that's kind of cool though. Oh, I'm dead. Can I play with a bot or something like that? Just to kind of just feel for the game more, you know? That would be cool. Yeah, you run into the house, it like falls and stuff. It's cool. So still really bad FPS. Let's try to get more, alright? I'm gonna go lower resolution here. I'm gonna go 1440p. It's loud. Okay, 1440p, 110 FPS now. Upscaling at a high too, so. Resume. I'll see if the movement's better now that I got like double the frame rate. But yeah, the graphics look really good. Nice. Oh, it looks really bad though. Looks real bad. And the movement is really sluggish too. Not fast. It's better though. Sounds like firecrackers, doesn't sound like a gun. I got him. Oh, I heard somebody. Dang it. My bad. Can I text him this? Ow, bro, I was just texting and he shoots me like that? Okay, try a little bit better this time. But yeah, it looks really rough. 5 more power. Like, only getting like high 50s, 60s is pretty low. And especially in this game. In this game, it's rough. So I'll let you go in. It's so hard to move around, bro. I tried to get him. Just the movement is so bad. I'm used to like really fast, like, you know what I mean? This is just like super bad. He's outside. Get him, you're on the roof. Yeah, nice. Sick. Just chill on the roof. Don't, oh, is there fall damage? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's rough though, especially at like, you go in from a higher resolution to a lower resolution. It's rough. And this game is hard to run. It's cool though. It's just really weird movement. It's like there's a problem. It seems like there's an issue. It's not bad. Ah, nice. Is it just me? Or is the movement really rough in this game? This is chalk and oh. I'll get that later. Yeah, so I don't know. Let me try. Oh, how do you get rid of this thing? I don't want it on there. Crap. Enter? There you go. Perfect. Okay, let's try again, guys. Last one, then I'm gonna get off this game. It's terrible movement. Oh, it's a shotgun. It's not automatic. My bad. Ah! Oh, they're shooting me. Wow. Fly higher. Go right in that building. Oh. I like the concept of the game, but the movement's really, really, really bad. And a lot of people are saying that there's cheaters in the game, and they need to make it more like COD, like the movement of COD. And yeah, maybe like a little bit heavier with the weapons, make it like it's taking more effort, but not like the stupid sluggish movement in this one. Gotta have a balance, man. Like when I'm looking, it's like instant, you know? It's not like, ooh, sluggish, like this garbage. Is somebody coming on this? I'm gonna do one more. That didn't count. I didn't know what it was. All right, last one. So this is this a shotgun? No. I'm just gonna camp right here. Ah, that's a glitch. That's messed up. Ah, what is going on? Stupid game. So bad. Oh. Oh, I didn't die that time. Is this a shotgun? Yeah, this looks like a shotgun. Okay, let's go. Can definitely walk fast or run faster than this. Nice. Good job, dude. Movement is so bad. Let's go outside, I guess. Yeah, the graphics look like high res, but then they're just really rough because I had to lower it to 1440p and then the upscaling. And then just really bad movement. I'm getting 100 FPS, but this does not feel like 100 FPS. Got the little drone. Can I climb this? Not very well. Oh. Alright, I don't know about this game, guys. Kind of lame. It's just a lot of problems and it's just terrible movement. I don't know. Can I get my money back? I'm gonna try. Alright, peace, guys.